Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on Happy RC Flyer here on YouTube. Today we have a special treat for you. This is a new product announcement for FLYWOO. You guys probably haven't seen the video. I haven't got really to put it together yet. I don't think I've posted it anyway at this point. I'm not sure when this video will upload, but the FlyTimes 85 has been a really fun little micro quad with HD resolution. And when they announced that this one was going to be coming out, I ordered one right away as soon as I found out about it. And when you get to see the full-length video on the FlyTimes 85, you'll understand why I grabbed one of these up right away. They're just a ton of fun. But anyway, we're going to get into it. This is the FlyWoo FlyBee16 video, unboxing and first looks from an unsponsored perspective. And if you guys haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. Subscribing helps the channel grow, and we're here to help grow the hobby. If you like the unsponsored perspective, which means I don't make any money on the videos or any money on the products, I ordered this product and paid for it with my own hard-earned money, just like any other hobbyist would, so that doesn't affect my perspective of it. There are a lot of items that are great if they're free, but when you have to pay for them, you want to know, is it worth your money? Is it worth the money that it costs? And are there better options out there? So if you like that perspective, make sure you're subscribed. Turn on the bell icon if you want to get notified of future video uploads when we make a new announcement video of a new product that comes out. If you want to hear about it first, make sure you have the notifications turned on. Drop a comment or a question if you have one, whether it's about this FlyBee16 or one of the other FlyWoo quads or anything RC related. I'm happy to answer your questions. Doesn't mean I have all the answers, but I'm happy to help you find the answers. I tinker around with everything from micro to giant scale, from airplanes, helicopters, the drones, the trucks, the boats, and everything in between. So if you have a question or a comment or idea or suggestion for a future video, I'd love to hear from you guys. It's a great place for the RC community to interact with each other in the comment section. Hit the like button, the big thumbs up sometime during the video if you like this kind of content. Helps me know what you guys like and helps me decide what videos to put in the future, what is going to be most helpful. This channel is designed to have a hobbyist perspective, unsponsored hobbyist perspective, so it's unbiased, so I'm not swayed by making more videos or less videos or certain kind of product by people motivating me or paying me to do some certain thing. It's just what I enjoy and try to share what I enjoy in the hobby, because I think that might help you guys find out what you might enjoy in the hobby. So if you like that, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Share this video with a friend that you think might enjoy it, and let's get into it right away. This is pretty exciting. As I mentioned already, I ordered one of these as soon as it was available to the public. I don't have any sort of sponsorship or inside with FlyWoo. I just find out about them when everybody else finds out about them and order them when I can and get to unbox them and test them out. So unfortunately, with work and everything, I'm sometimes more busy than what the sponsor guys are and don't get the videos out right away. But every once in a while, I get them out before the other guys. So it's a good place to hang out here at the channel. I do apologize for the wind we have. We've got quite a bit of wind here at the park. A little windy to fly, but I thought it might be a good time to slip down here and shoot a quick video of unboxing and show you guys this quad. So I do have to give a quick disclaimer before I open this box, and it is the fact that I did placed 2 orders. I ordered this quad and some batteries, and then later on it was doing the Chinese New Year, so it didn't ship right away. So then I went ahead and placed another order and then put in the shipping notes, asked them to put the orders together. And so they did that. So that's really cool. Kind of helps save on shipping and save on time. FlyWoo no longer offers the DHL delivery, which was the fast. I think you could get it within like 4 or 5 days or something from China, wherever they're based out of, somewhere in China, all the way over here to the US. And they no longer offer that. So I really do miss that. They say it's something due to DHL's no drone policy or something like that. I don't know all about that. I've received other drone type stuff with DHL from other companies, but it is what it is. So keep that in mind. It does take a while to deliver. I'll put up here on the side of the screen when I ordered this, when I placed my order, and then when I placed the second order, and then the receive time that it took to receive it. But it's probably been about a month. It was a really long time. I think I ordered it right before the Chinese New Year, and they were away from the office for a while. And then even after they got back, it took a little while to ship. So their shipping times are longer at FlyWoo now than what they used to be. Just wanted to make a notation of that. And the fact that there is going to be some stuff in the box that is going to be added on to more than just this drone combo. So if you order just the FlyWoo FlyBee16. You're not going to get as much in this box as what I am, and the reason is because I ordered some other things, so I'll make a note of that. So here we are. Everything is jammed in there really tightly because we ordered some other things. There's stickers, of course, and that's pretty typical. That comes with every quad that you order. These are new stickers, 05, 06, 07, 02. I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe if you're going to race. This does have the DJI 04 air unit in it, which is supposed to be race compatible, so you can select different channels. It has different race mode. I did order extra propellers, so I've got some different kind of propellers in here. These are the 3-bladed, which go on the FlyBee16. These you'll see are actually 2-bladed, like a green or blue aqua color translucent. And they're for the Fly Times 85 because I wanted to get some more propellers for that. And when you see that video come out, you'll know why I'm ordering more propellers for it. So in here we have some little camera adapters. They now offer, FlyWoo now offers the 04 Lite air unit adapters, camera adapters and camera mounts. So if you have any of the little whoops, tiny whoops or little quads you want to mount the DJI 04 on, which is the lighter version. Remember, Pro is the full-size version, and just the DJI 04 is what they're calling what we would call the light version, or the little micro 1S version. So these are the camera mounts for the 1S DJI 04, which is in this quad, and you'll see I might be putting it in some other quads, so stay tuned for those videos coming up. I ordered a bunch of batteries. This thing runs on 2S. My Fly Times 85 runs on 2S, and that thing is so much fun. If this is anything like the Fly Times 85, it's going to be a blast, and so I wanted to make sure I had some extra batteries. These are some extra batteries. I ordered 550s. When you order the drone, it's not going to come with any batteries, so you can see here that I really well stocked up. These are some 1,000 milliamps, which I've been running in the Fly Times 85. So I've got plenty of the thousands now, plenty of the 550s. Here are the stock propellers that come with this FlyBee16, and there we have our battery mounts for our different size batteries. I think 550 batteries, 750s, and thousands. And we have some little mounts in there, the little right-handed cable to get in there to activate your air unit. A lot of these, I think all of these that I've ordered from FlyWoo, all the BinoFly quads I ordered from FlyWoo come pre-activated, so I really like that. Now, you'll see me acting a little funny here, and it's because I'm trying to keep from allowing things to just blow away here. I've already got a few papers there I got to chase down when the video's done. So there's some more videos, or more batteries rather, sorry. I ordered quite a few 2S batteries. This is what we want to look at. Look at this cute little guy. This is the little FlyBee16. Now, they also make a 20, which is supposed to be, I think, a 2.0. This is a 1.6. So this is really tiny. And some of you guys seen the unboxing video for the Firefly, the FLYWOO Firefly. And that is I think that's a 1.6 as well. Sorry for the wind, guys. Hopefully it's not interrupting my audio. I can do a lot of post-production with the audio and hopefully get the wind out of there. So hopefully that's not interrupting, but it is really blowing a gale. Really too windy for a quad like this. But anyway, I like how they have it. I don't know if that's shrink wrap, vacuum wrap. I think it'd be called shrink wrap. But very cute. You can see how tiny it is in my hand. That's just very tiny. So inside here are some silica gel packets. Don't eat those. Some more stickers. Some more race number stickers, some more FlyWoo stickers, and they've been doing a really good job at making sure their customers have the stickers and the swag that we need to keep excited about FlyWoo. So we're going to go ahead and toss all the batteries back in here. I want to get a chance to open up the quad here and take a look at it. Actually, we'll have to chase that down here in a minute. I have to make sure the video is short so we can catch it before it goes into the next county. Let's put some of these little lightweight things and these stickers back in the box. I want to put the box down here. I just want to open it up and kind of give a quick look and quick overview this little quad. I've mentioned it before. I'll mention it again. If you're on the edge of getting into RC or getting into FPV, I would strongly encourage you to do it. I know a lot of people are saying, well, I don't know, with all the regulations, is DJI going to really get banned? Our drone's going to be outlawed. Man, look at that. That's so cute. That is super tiny. And the fact that this has full HD and can record in 4K is just unbelievable. It can stream to your goggles in 1080 resolution. Isn't that crazy? 1080 resolution out of this little palm-sized drone, and can record in 4K. I think it can even record up to like 120 frames per second or something like that. It's really crazy. So, and even has onboard storage with the DJI O4 Air unit. Has I think it's 32 gigabytes of onboard storage. So that's really exciting because it doesn't have an SD card slot. So after you fly, if you want to grab the footage and put on your phone, you'll just need a Type-C to Type-C. This is a Type-C to USB. And you want a Type-C to Type-C. You can plug your phone right in there. I do that with the FlyTimes85 and my Explorer. But yeah, this is really cute. This has very similar design. The frame design is very similar to the FlyTimes85, except it doesn't have the prop guard around it. And instead of running 2-blade, it's running 3-blade. I don't know if those are the same size motors. I don't think they are, because these are called Robos, but these are 1083 or 1003. RB 1003, I think it's 11,000 kV, so it's really cranking some RPMs there. But there it is, the little, and I'll have some footage probably on the side of the screen for you guys to look at, but there it is, nice little shock absorbent mount, a nice little bracket. And I would encourage you, if you're going to do much with the DJI O4, especially the little 1S Lite version, order you some of these little camera mounts, the O4 camera mounts from FlyWoo. They're really nice. They're like injection molded. They're very professional looking. They have the FlyWoo stamp on it, but they also have a nice mount for that O4 camera as opposed to what comes in it from the factory. So that is really exciting. Now I do have this set up with the Crossfire. That's what I've been running, Crossfire, TBS Crossfire on all my quads. I'm kind of thinking about getting into ELRS, but I've just had really good results with the Crossfire and haven't really needed to get into ELRS. So let me know what you guys think if you run ELRS and you like it. Or especially if you've done a comparison between Crossfire and ELRS, let me know. I'd be happy to hear from you. Interested in hearing what your thoughts and your opinion is. Of course, it has a little foam here on the bottom to protect your air unit, and it's just so compact, especially in comparison to the FlyTimes85, which my FlyTimes85 has the O3 decased O3 air unit on it. So, and it's been a ton of fun. I'm really sad that I haven't got the video out already, but I switched video editing programs, and honestly I'd rather be flying than editing videos or filming videos. But I do get excited about showing you guys some of these little quads and hopefully get the word out, so if you're interested in something you can get one too. But there it is, the FlyBee16. Really cool name, and really super cool quad. Very easy to work on. Everything is just right there. This is what they would call a pusher prop design, and then of course your 2S would sit in here. It comes with the 750 battery bracket, and pretty exciting. So stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, make sure you have the notifications activated if you want to see the upcoming video on this, that I'll be doing a review video. And I'm sure I'll do a side-by-side video between this FlyBee16 and the FlyTimes85. They're both very similar, and I've got some mods that I've already done to the FlyTimes85 before I even got the review video out. So there'll be some things that I'll probably do to this one as well. But we'll see. We will see. So very exciting. Anyway, if you guys haven't gotten to already, go over and check it out at FlyWoo. FlyWoo has some really cool stuff. Keep in mind that in the coming maybe months, at least for those of us here that are in the US, that there probably will be some tariffs added. I don't know exactly when that's going to take effect, but I wanted to get my order in right away, and I would encourage you to get your order in for one of these or anything at FlyWoo. They're always running a sale, it seems like, but they have some cool stuff. Sub 250 has some cool stuff, and some of those companies that are out of the state, out of the nation, you want to get your order in right away before the prices go up on some of that stuff. And so as soon as I find out how tariffs are going to affect ordering micro quads and drones and stuff from FlyWoo and Sub 250, I will let you guys know. I'll put a video out about that. But as of yet, haven't got any price hikes yet. So we'll see when that takes effect. But don't wait for it. Go ahead and get your order in. Check out one of these. They're a lot of fun. Everything I've gotten from FlyWoo has been very impressive. I haven't been disappointed with any of their quads, and I have a number of their quads, so buy with confidence from them. I've not had any issues with shipping, other than just recently they don't allow DHL shipping, so it does take a lot longer. So, all right, there you go, guys. Again, subscribe, turn on the bell icon if you want to get notified when I post the full review video of this quad, and drop a comment or question you might have. Hit the thumbs up, share this video with a friend. We'll look for you in the next video. Thanks for watching.